Hi guys, if you are watching this video, it means you made it into 2021 and I would like to say congratulations. Now I'm here to present mathematics. And who am I? My name is George and you can contact me at this number or even choose to send email. I love the subject. I enjoy it. It's good. And to me it is maths is just the backbone of science. That's the definition I can give it. And also it is not a punishment but rather a tool for problem solving. So you need to change that ideology of seeing it as something that is stopping you from getting that promotion or getting you to the next grade. And where do we even use this kind of a subject? My answer is everywhere. So I have brought up real-world applications of mathematics, that is automotive, aeronautics, retail, but all this circling under data analytics. Why is it important to know this? If you get to understand what maths does, maybe probably it will help you change how you visualize it and get to love it. We'll talk more on this one when we discuss how you can master the subject. But then, so how do we connect those simple things we learn in class to all this? Because if you see it as a punishment, it does not work. But if you see it as a tool, it will help you understand exactly what we are doing in class. So to cater for this, I did an analysis of a certain data set and I'll show you that one quickly. Now, this data set was a house about houses. Business was to understand the factors to consider when they are to make more cash, when they are to make an improvement in their sales. Now, to do this, in class we deal with simple data sets that are very small, but in the real world they're out there. The data sets will be huge. Like this one had 10 columns and 2,000 observations, that is 2,000 rows. So how do we then deal with that? There are computers and they are trained for this. There are softwares that can do this. Why am I telling you this? It's because the simplest concepts that you will learn, for those who have been in grade 12, you have heard of the 5-number summary. That data set I showed you above, which is large like that, you can also get summaries of that data set. You can find the minimum, the maximum, the ranges, things that you learn in class, only that the data has become big, which means you are using the same concept, which means understanding it in class will help you if you choose to progress with maths elsewhere in the fields. And also, why then go through all this, the correlations between variables? What will become the end point? Why do we in the end say maths is helpful? Okay, all this is done so that decisions are to be made. Now, how do you master the subject itself? How do you get to master mathematics? This is, according to me, you need to be determined. By determined, you need to do things right away, not say I will do it when I get in grade 12. I'll do it later. No, just try. It's now or never. That's what it says there. And you need to love the subject, and to love it, I'm trying to give you reasons by showing you its applications out there and practice. It's a hands-on subject where you need to practice a lot and get to understand and ask wherever you have challenges or where you do not understand, which is where we come in. You need to be free, be it in class or be it on the side where you'll be asking your questions. Now, the view, the way you see things, some are scared of the subject or some fail the subject, not because it's that difficult, but only because they've chosen to follow what the community told them about this subject, which is why I'm saying change your view. Do not be intrigued by the societal view of its difficultiness. See for yourself and know that it works. Okay, well, having said all this, how do we then, in the times like this where uncertainties are hitting us and pandemics kicking in, how do you get to learn this lesson? The same way I'm presenting this video, I also present my lessons, and I have online classes as well. Here I'm showing a piece of algebraic expressions. This is for grade 10, of course, where we start by numbers. That is the whole story, isn't it? In maths we deal with numbers, and like I said, I enjoy making them confess. And here I defined the kinds of numbers that we have, and in classes we will learn why is it important even to know these definitions, because maths is calculations. Why do I need to have these long sentences in the head when I am just supposed to calculate? Understanding these definitions makes you answer questions in a good way, and we'll discuss more in this in the videos that are to come and when I'm to present these lessons. And I would like to thank you for your time, hoping you will contact us and find out what we can do, and you can also be part of the improvement teams in making sure that maths reaches out to everybody and everyone enjoys it. And once again, I thank you.